Hello and welcome. This is the scene here at Molineux. I'm Derek Ray on the commentary gantry and delighted to be joined as always by Stuart Robson. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers taking on Manchester United.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
The initial 11 for Wolves. Marçal starts with Nelson Semedo in the wide defensive areas. João Moutinho plays alongside Ruben Neves in the centre of midfield. And Raúl Jiménez is up front. The lineup for Manchester United. David De Gea starts in goal. Rafael Varane plays alongside Harry Maguire in central defence. Bruno Fernandes plays alongside Paul Pogba in central midfield. And leading the attack today is Edinson Cavani. Not really the ideal clearance. Well, nothing untoward happened. Decent position this for United to find themselves in. But they dealt with the threat posed. Good-looking sequence. And striking the outside of the post with that effort. And it's going to be a goal kick here. Well, the last match for Manchester United was a success story as they won against Southampton. What do you expect to see this time, Stuart?
Well, what a performance that was away from home. It doesn't get better than that. Today, though, it's going to be a really competitive game, and I'm not sure I can pick a winner here. Should be compelling.
Cavani. And he read it well defensively. Paul Pogba. And he read it well, intercepting it. Beautifully disguised ball. Must take the lead here. And fired against the crossbar. Neves. Terrific save. And now the delivery. Well, not cleared away completely. Neves. Determined block. Cavani, the pass not quite up to scratch.
Well, there it is. United have had most of the ball, but unless they start passing it with more penetration, they'll struggle to win this game.
Oh, Stuart, they might be onto something here. Not out of the woods yet. Oh, right in the nick of time. And denied by the keeper. Impressive. Oh, couldn't quite find his teammate. Oh, a perfectly timed pass. And a goal to open the scoring. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, let's see this again. The vision to play this through ball is superb. And then what a finish. That's been hit with such power and pace. The keeper has no time to react. It's a brilliant strike.
And Wolves get us moving again. Certainly a swift response required after the setback. Jimenez. And showing fine vision. And the referee has awarded a corner following that touch.
Well, the crowd are doing their bit. Can they find the equaliser here?
So the corner played into the box. And did his job defensively. Neves. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. Second half underway, with United looking to build upon a largely positive first half showing. Maguire. Pogba has it. Cavani. Bruno Fernandes. Shaw. Edinson Cavani now. Well, an influential presence up to this point, Bruno Fernandes. What did you think of what you saw from him?
Well, he certainly had an impact on that first half, scoring that late goal, but I thought his overall contribution was really good, and he got better as the half wore on.
Oh, hang on, Stuart, it's a chance! And both hands on it, good goalkeeping. Decent position this for United to find themselves in. Bruno Fernandes, and he's broken free. Really sound goalkeeping.
Well, that had to be a goal, didn't it? What a stop that is.
And over comes the corner. Rafael Varane. It did look on for them, but not to be. Racing forward, trying to catch them out. Well, an example of a counter-attack that went nowhere. 30 minutes to go then. Well, this is the home of live football, EA TV, and we have more action coming up from the Premier League for you. It's Wolves taking on Watford. Well read to ease the pressure. Romain Saiz. Jimenez. On the ball, Marçal. A foul, but advantage played. Well, letting it continue to see if in fact there was an advantage, but not so. Free kick. Substitution time it is here. Well, he failed to get it away properly. And problem solved for now. 20 minutes to go. Wang Hee-chan. Well, that's how to break the spirit of the attacker. Jadon Sancho. And don't forget, we have more Premier League action.
This could be a goal here.
Well, the keeper reacted magnificently.
Substitution for Manchester
Here's
United.
a change for Manchester United.
Number 6, coming onto the pitch.
So the corner played into the box. Well, it has come to nothing. Well, the referee well aware that he had to blow his whistle, and on comes the physio.
Substitution for Wolves, coming off the pitch.
So an uncontested drop ball after the injury.
Number 32, Duncan.
Well, for United, it's almost a case of job done. Not quite yet, officially speaking. Stuart, what have you made of their performance today?
Well, it's been a tight game, but I think they've been the better team. They've just had that little bit more quality, certainly in attack, and of course they've been well organised at the back. They just need to see this through now.
Scott McTominay. And back with Bruno Fernandes. Well, it might still work out for them. Well, good defending, clattered out of there.
Well, the Wolves fans are really getting behind their team here, but will it be enough? What a finish we've got to this game.
Well, a really single-minded piece of defending to make sure nothing untoward happened. Can they fashion something? They need a goal. But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Oh, he's given the ball away unnecessarily. And that is the end of the game. It goes down as a United triumph. Their fans are going to be happy with this.